This video's for 2006 Mazda 3 2-liter. I was having problems with a clunking noise on my passenger side. Every time I'd make a right turn, you'd hear clunking and clunking and clunking. And I tried a bunch of things. Strut mount, checked all my ball joints, tie rods, sway bar links are all good. I realized it was when I put it in drive, foot on the brake, give it gas, I hear a clunky noise like this. I don't know if you guys can hear this. Like that, and I realized that it was this guy right here, my engine mount, front engine mount. Price only I paid only $30 for mine. Hopefully I change it and it should work. Brand new. Like this. We're gonna change that and I'll show you guys. So what we're gonna do is you jack up the engine, make sure it's on a safe spot. You jack up the engine, make sure it's supported because we're taking off the engine mount. If you don't support the engine, then the engine might fall, these bolts might get stripped, everything out of place. So there's 4 bolts, one here, one here, one down there holding it, one here. These are all 17, which I already loosened with a big breaker bar. Right, we're gonna loosen that, and then we'll take these out. Make sure to support the engine with the jack. So I just took out the engine mount, take off the bolts, just wiggle it out through here. Made a little hard, don't hit these lines, coolant lines. Wiggle it out, and mine looks really bad. Like this is completely broken. As you can see, I move it with my hand. Alright, this is my new engine mount, which I have to attach onto this piece. Right. So I bought the engine mount that didn't come with the bracket, just came with this piece. So I had to prefab a piece actually. Just bent the tabs. These 2 tabs back into place. Squeeze. Now it's tight. So make sure when you install it, these are facing the engine, right? And some people take this off. I don't know why. I think it depends on the engine. I think I can wiggle mine back in. Wiggle. Yep, put it on there. And then I like to anti-seize my bolts. Put some anti-seize on this, and then get them back in the hole. Engine moves a little bit, so with your hand, move here until they line up. Make sure everything's straight. Okay, I tighten all the bolts back up. There, and there. Right? We're gonna go for a test drive and see if the clunking stops. Forget these are 17 millimeters. Support your engine with the jack and have fun.